Hi guys, I'll be sharing to you another video about our escapade last Holy Week. We went to Bulingan Falls like last Holy Thursday, and I just want guys kung visit as a place before you grow old or moody man lang. At least pwede yung mira ko na sa place kasi el pinaka-circa falls na di among place. So, kilala niyo Mira Falls and the place itself. So, keep on watching. We just ride a motorcycle guys and going to Bulingan Falls, and since this is my first time, I never thought guys that it will take time for us to arrive on that place. So keep on watching guys.
Ayaw mo si OMG. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, aray. Hi guys, napiyak kami guys. Dili man ako buli. Ay, yak. Ano trauma? Tagal na niya, oh. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Upon arrival guys, and picture anay kami. El place is guys no entrance fee. So this is free for all. And then yacha na lang kami po sightseeing. Mira anay kami kumanada ba gente tan swim. And then try kami guys. I will show you jutay glimpse lang guys about the lugar since Estela Mangatel mga place dapat sa Desmira. STL entrance and then a place on the pwede man swim, mga cottages. Actually jutay lang ang lugar guys.
Ano ka? Oh my god. This is my first time guys. Hey, hi guys. Aralan niyo kiliga guys. Char. And I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. Amazing guys. Ito pala guys yung Bulingan Falls. Come visit us.
So another picture guys. Syempre na falls itself. I'm amazed lang guys. Sorry kung yung common word is amazed. Kasi nga kinagalay man touch ko ng water kasi pero bin on dugat ng water and mahirap anda adelante guys. So taki lang kami picture swim na circle lang. At este ka first time tamen guys man swim na river water. Kasi usually tan swim lang kita na water na sea, di ba? And then we also brought some food. And then swim again and then take pictures. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.